Shown in this picture and the picture before is the red maple tree. You can tell it's the red maple tree because it has serrated edges all the way around the leaf, unlike its sister tree, the silver maple. And another hint is that it has the red veins going through. Another tree is the aspen tree. It's commonly called the quaking aspen, and although it looks like a normal tree above ground, it has things going on in the root system which diversify it from most other trees. Unlike most trees that have one root system for every tree, the aspen tree has one root system for a series of trees. So even though you may see 2 to 10 aspen trees above ground, it's really all one connected root system. Another tree that's very interesting is the white birch. Unlike most trees that can live for hundreds of years, the white birch's average lifespan is only about 70 years, which is very young. The bark sheds very easily, and that's what you see here. After the birch probably fell, it all came off due to weathering and other natural causes. These pine needles are from a red pine tree. You can tell this because they're very straight and over 2 inches long, and also they come in bundles of 2. These are all characteristics of things that go on red pine trees. Another cool thing about the red pine tree is that it's a pioneer species. This means that if there are controlled burns, wildfires, or just cutting down of trees, the pioneer trees will grow back first. As shown here, all other tree species are gone due to a controlled burn, but the pioneer trees of the red pine have come back. These pines are from a balsam fir tree. You can tell that it's from a balsam fir because it has the bow tie or figure eight-like structure of the pine needles. Another cool fact about it is that it's also a pioneer species just like the red pine I mentioned before. This tree is a white pine. White pines are very noticeable because unlike red or jack pines, which have 2 needles per bundle, the white pine has 5 needles per bundle, making it very distinct. Contrary to the red pine and the balsam fir, the white pine is a climax species, which means that it will grow back after the pioneer species already have. Moving on to some plants, this is a bracken fern. Bracken ferns frost very easily, and this is a picture of one before a frost has happened. It is very easy to tell when a frost has happened because a bracken fern will turn to this brown color. This fern is called a sweet fern. Its leaves have a worm-like shape, and it was given its name because when the leaves are crumbled up, it smells like potpourri. This plant is called lamb's ear. It was given its name because of the soft, fuzzy leaves reminiscent of a lamb's ear. Thanks so much for listening about the diversity of a forest. I hope you enjoyed.